It's Munch time, my dude.
Hello! Today I'm going to be taking you into my kitchen and I'm going to be showing you how to make a really easy, stable whipped cream. This whipped cream is perfect for filling cream puffs, it's perfect for layers, it's perfect for putting on a cake, it's perfect for cupcakes. I personally prefer using instant pudding to stabilize my whipped cream because it's flavor and it stabilizes the whipped cream really nicely, and it also gives it sort of like a custardy texture to it. It's awesome if you want to decorate a cake with whipped cream because this whipped cream is so stable that you can pipe rosettes without worrying about it melting off of your cake. Whipped cream is traditionally stabilized and sweetened with icing sugar, so that really sucks for someone who's diabetic. Using the instant pudding that is sugar-free is a great way to add flavor and sweetness and stabilize whipped cream for someone that can't eat sugar. Alright, let's get started. Alright, now we're just going to add the whipping cream into the mixer. We're just going to add roughly 2 tablespoons of instant vanilla pudding mix. Adding 2 tablespoons of the instant vanilla pudding mix will help stabilize the whipped cream so that it's a nice consistency. Now, as you can see, the whipped cream is a nice thick consistency. Perfect for piping. It is even stable enough to cling onto the side of the bowl, so that's pretty good.